So here are some of my favourite products: Moroccan Oil Texturising Spray, it's a 10 leave-in conditioner, Olaplex No. 7 Bond Oil, and Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother. And this is what I use to prep the hair to make it nice and smooth for blow drying. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the curling. So what I'm going to do is section off the bottom half of the hair, and I want to take quite fine sections, but not too fine that they'll create a ringlet, but not too thick that they'll drop out easily. I'm going to be using the Cloud9 Original Straightener. I love these straighteners because you can adjust the temperature setting on them, so I always have my straighteners at 150 to help protect the hair from any heat damage. So I'm just going in and bringing the straightener directly down towards the ground whilst turning the straightener. So this creates an S-shaped curl instead of having a ringlet curl. And I alternate directions every curl so they're facing opposite ways to create more of a natural look. I also tend to leave the ends straighter, so I don't want to create a curl all the way down to the tip of the hair. This creates a beachy, texturized look, kind of undone when styled. So I'm just going to go around the head and do the exact same pattern all over, and when I get to the front two sections I'll explain what I do. So as I get towards the front of the face, I'm going to curl the front sections away from the face. I know people tend to struggle with this as it feels awkward to hold, but it's just practice, and once you get used to it, you will find it really easy. So as you can see here, the fringe I'm going to directly curl away from the face, and I don't touch the curls too much because I want them to set and cool in this position. And I'm just going to do the same again on the other side of the head. So I'm going to be using my favourite product at the moment, which is the Moroccan Oil Texturising Spray. I feel like it creates a lovely finish to the hair. It's not too heavy, it doesn't make the hair feel crispy like certain hairsprays. And I'm just going to run my hands through the hair just to break up those curls and create a really nice textured style. And the more you play with it, the better I feel that it ends up. So don't be scared to run your hands through it loads, break up those curls, and I promise you they're not going to fall out, and over the period of time it just looks better and better in this style. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if anyone has any questions, direct message me or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and if anyone wants to tag me in any Instagram pictures, I would love to see the finished result. All the best, Jazz.